There was a time when I felt like I was drowning in my own to-do list. No matter how hard I worked, it seemed like there was always more to do and less time to do it. I'd go to bed exhausted, only to wake up with the same sinking feeling the next morning. But then, everything changed when I discovered a few simple strategies that turned my days around. Today I'm going to share those strategies with you. We are going to go over 10 productivity hacks that help me regain control over my time, my tasks, and my life. Number 1. The power of preparation. It all starts the night before. There was a time when I used to wake up and immediately feel overwhelmed, unsure of where to start or what to do first. My mind would spin with all the tasks I hadn't tackled yet. But then I began creating a daily to-do list before bed, and it was a game changer. Here's how it works. Each night before you wind down, take just 5 minutes to jot down the tasks you need to accomplish the next day. But don't just make them a random list. Prioritize it. Think about what's most important and what needs to be done first. When you wake up the next morning, you'll have a clear plan and a roadmap for your day. No more wasting time trying to figure out what to do next. You'll hit the ground running. Number 2. The focus factor. Once your day starts, the key to productivity is focus. But let's be real, it's not always easy to stay on track, especially when there are a million things going for your attention. That's where the Pomodoro Technique comes in. The Pomodoro Technique is simple but powerful. You work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, take a longer break. But now you might be asking, why does this work? It works because it helps you maintain your focus in short bursts, preventing fatigue and burnout. Those regular breaks keep your mind sharp and your energy levels up so you're ready to dive back into your work with full intensity. Number 3. Battling distractions. I want you to lend me your imagination for a second and just picture this for me. You're sitting at your desk trying to work, but your phone keeps buzzing with notifications. You pick it up, scroll through social media, and suddenly you realize 20 minutes have passed. Does that sound familiar? Well, distractions are productivity's worst enemy. I used to lose hours each day to the constant ping of notifications, the lure of social media, and the noise around me. It was like trying to work in the middle of a storm, but then I decided to take control. The first step is identifying your biggest distractions. For most of us, it's our phones, constant notifications that pull us away from our tasks. So here's the hack. Turn off those notifications during your work hours, or use apps that block access to distracting websites or apps. If noise is your issue, then maybe invest in a good pair of noise-cancelling headphones or find a quieter place to work. By creating an environment that supports your focus, you'll find it much easier to stay on task and get things done. Number 4. The art of goal setting. Ever sit down to work on something and feel completely lost, unsure of where to start? Well, that used to be me too. I'd have all these vague ideas of what I wanted to accomplish, but without a clear plan, I'd end up spinning my wheels and getting nowhere. That's when I learned the importance of setting specific goals. Well, you might say, what's the difference between setting goals and setting specific goals? Well, here's the difference. Instead of simply saying, I'll work on my project today, you say, I'll finish the first draft by 3 p.m. Specific, actionable goals give you a clear target to aim for. They break down big, intimidating tasks into manageable steps and give you a sense of direction. And when you reach that goal, the sense of accomplishment is incredible. It keeps you motivated to keep going. Number 5. Conquering small tasks with the 2-minute rule. I used to let small tasks pile up. Quick emails, minor fixes, things that seemed too trivial to tackle right away. But over time, those small tasks would add up, creating a mountain of work that was overwhelming. That's when I discovered the 2-minute rule. The 2-minute rule is simple. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, then do it immediately. Don't let it sit on your to-do list, taking up mental space and adding to your stress. By taking care of these small tasks right away, you keep your list manageable and you free up your mind to focus on more important work. Number 6. The importance of taking breaks. Let me ask you this question. Have you ever tried to power through your entire day without taking a single break, only to find yourself completely drained by the afternoon? Well, I used to do that all the time, thinking that more hours worked meant more productivity. But simply put, I was wrong. The truth is, taking regular breaks is just as important as the work itself. When you push yourself without giving your brain a chance to rest, your focus and creativity start to decline. That's why I make it a point to step away from my desk every hour or so, whether it's to stretch, take a walk, or just breathe. These breaks might seem like wasted time, but they actually recharge your brain, keeping you sharp and helping you maintain productivity throughout the day. Number 7. The power of a clean workspace. Ever feel like your brain is just as cluttered as your desk? Well, that used to be me as well. I'd sit down to work, but my messy workspace would distract me, make me feel overwhelmed, and sap my motivation. But then I realized something simple. A clean space leads to a clear mind. Spending just a few minutes each day to declutter your workspace can make a huge difference in your productivity. When your environment is clean and organized, it's easier to focus. Your stress levels decrease and your creativity can flow more freely. Plus, there's something incredibly satisfying about sitting down to a tidy desk ready to tackle the day's challenges. Number 8. Batching tasks for maximum efficiency. There was a time when I felt like I was constantly switching gears, jumping from emails to studying to creative work and back again. It was pretty exhausting, and by the end of the day, I'd feel completely drained without much to show for it. That's when I discovered the power of batching tasks. Batching tasks simply means grouping similar tasks together and tackling them all at once. So, for example, instead of just answering my emails throughout the day, I would set aside a specific time block to go through them all at once. The same would go for my studying, my creative work, or any type of task. By staying in the same mode for a longer period, you'll find that you can work more efficiently, stay in the flow, and reduce the mental fatigue that comes from constant context switching. Number 9. Prioritizing like a pro. Have you ever had so much to do that you didn't even know where to start, and that the more you saw what you had to do, the more overwhelmed you felt? Well, that also used to be me, paralyzed by the sheer number of tasks I left on my plate. But then I learned about the Eisenhower matrix, and it changed everything. The Eisenhower matrix helps you prioritize your tasks by dividing them into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. This way you can focus on what truly matters and avoid wasting time on tasks that aren't really moving you forward. It's a powerful tool that keeps you on track so you make the most out of your time and your energy. Number 10. Rest and recharge. And finally, the most underrated productivity hack of all: sleep. I used to burn the midnight oil, thinking that the more hours I worked, the more I'd get done. The truth is, when you're sleep deprived, your brain just doesn't function at its best. You're not only slower, but you're less focused and more prone to make mistakes. That's why I've made it a priority to get a good night's sleep. I stick to a consistent bedtime, avoiding screens before bed, and creating a restful environment. When you're well rested, you wake up feeling refreshed, your mind is sharp, and you're ready to tackle the day with energy and focus. It's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter, and that starts with taking care of yourself. Okay, now for all you legends who made it to this part of the video, I'm about to give you a bonus tip. So comment down below saying I made it. So, the 5-second rule for instant action. Imagine you're sitting at your desk, staring at your to-do list, and you feel the urge to procrastinate creeping in. You know you need to get started, but your mind is already finding excuses. Maybe you'll check your phone, grab a snack, or just wait a few more minutes. This is where the 5-second rule comes into play. This simple yet powerful technique, popularized by Mel Robbins, can help you overcome hesitation and take action immediately. The rule is pretty straightforward. When you feel the urge to procrastinate or hesitate on a task, count down from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then physically move towards your task. This short countdown interrupts your brain's tendency to avoid effort and propels you into action. By breaking the cycle of overthinking, the 5-second rule helps you get started on tasks right away, whether that's sending an email, starting a workout, or diving into a big project. It's a game changer for overcoming procrastination and building momentum throughout your day. So, there you have it. 10 productivity hacks that have transformed my days from chaotic to controlled. It's not about doing more, it's about doing what matters in a way that works for you. Start with just a few of these tips and watch how they change your life. I'd love to hear how these tips work for you. Drop a comment below with your favorite hack or share one of your own. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips on making the most of your day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.